My name is Christie. I'm the Managing Director of the Infrastructure as a Service division of the Iomart Group. Iomart is one of the UK's largest hosting service providers. We provide a full spectrum of services from infrastructure as a service through to managed hosting and cloud consultancy. The idea for HAPPI came from myself and my team. It was a reason to try and automate the sales process. We needed a tool that was slick, very efficient, and enabled users to self-serve and have complete transparency over the costs involved in putting hardware into data centres or just procuring hardware for their offices. I think time saving is probably the biggest benefit for the customer when they're using the tool. It enables them to design the environment in their own time. They can see all of the costs, a bit like you can with Microsoft's Azure or Amazon's AWS cloud hosting platforms, and then they can actually deploy the infrastructure into the data centres or buy it and procure it into their offices instantly, just with a click of a button. We went to 3 or 4 digital agencies when we initially had the idea of HAPPI, and it became very clear from speaking to those that we needed to find someone that really understood the vision and the goals that we were aiming for. I think it was when you were finishing my sentences and asking questions that we hadn't even considered that we really knew that we'd found someone that understood exactly what it was that we were going to achieve and would be someone along the way that would help us with the project and wouldn't require all of the kind of management and administration burden that perhaps we may have had with some of the other people that we spoke to. When we first pitched HAPPI, it was all about talking about the vision, and from that vision we then took it back a few stages to understand exactly how we would achieve that, what that meant in terms of systems and integration. And it was only through talking about the vision and the end goal that we came up with the idea, and then we did the user experience testing, and it all started to fall together. Off the back of that, and because all of the members of the team really understand what it is that we're trying to achieve, it's made our lives a lot easier during the project process. So now everyone is contributing to ideas that they think will help fulfill the end vision of HAPPI. Everyone that we've shown HAPPI to has been really excited to get hold of it, and they can't wait for its launch. Some of our partners are really eager to get involved, and they are either providers of data centres or distributors of equipment because they can see all the end benefits to the users and they think it's going to be widely adopted in the marketplace. So everyone's itching to get hold of it. HAPPI is going to be a very long-term project, so we won't stop until we've reached the end vision, and that is to try and connect all of the data centres and offices in the world with HAPPI so that people can design and deploy their solutions into any of these sites around the world with the click of a button and make it really easy to effectively bring the internet to the user. If someone is starting a project of this nature, I think they really need to go and talk to a number of people, get comfortable with who it is that they're going to be working with, and make sure that they understand the vision that they're trying to achieve. Only then will you really understand when someone is coming to you with the same kind of ideas that you're having and challenging what you're doing as well along the way. Then you know that you found a partner that you can rely on.